police, Uganda police, that its work is to secure life and property in partnership with the public, in a professional manner. And now the public are the one showing police what to do. Police, that its role is to prevent crime, is now sitting on board negotiating with the criminals. Uganda police. Yet people who are advocating for development, people who are advocating for schools, hospitals, roads to be facilitated to save the life of Ugandans, are being arrested. And then some people who have taken more than one life, they are under negotiation with the police. Police. If someone does not even have a mere right to cane or at school, even the parents does not have a right to cane his or her own children. Where or when did people get the audacity to kill other people's children? And now people who are to give evidence come and talk while they are on mask, and others are being called. Since you are saying you were there, come and make a statement. We know justice is always blind for those who are dead, isn't it? But now he died but left an audio. What else do you want? Police. And mwe, you the upcoming artists, we're not even upcoming. They will make you celebs, hype you, create any room that will make you think you are big. But once they start seeing you as a threat to them, you will be first, last, and only option. To be cleared. You like it, you don't like it. Abasajja bangi bali mu buwambe. Omuwamwe mulowooza okujjaako omusajja oyo omuntu ali wa NRM nga muyimbi gwemanyi nti wa NRM nnyo, oba abantu abali mu NRM awo gwemanyi nti tewalina, not for the sake of oba musango oba ki. Bebe cool. Naye waliwo abasajja bangi bagenzeyo because of the cases they have. Oli wamugamba bugambi nti no mwana, if you don't want us to open this case, wagambye olina okukolagana ne gundi. Era n'oyo wamu oyo nze kyemanyi. Me, I'm not saying that aliens killed someone. I haven't said so. But if there is some other person who killed the boy, why is he not summoned? And what police is the police? They again, instead calling, maybe we who are demanding for this boy to get justice, to go and make statement, leaving the suspect. Police. And the Ugandans, era nadala mu abantu w'embaale, nze mbadde nsaba mubeeko kye mukola, that even if it calls for people to leave Mbale to come to Kampala here, main CPS, mutekeyo embeera, kubanga mwana, enough is enough, man. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Oh, Papa, yeah. If not Papa, can we have that person who's responsible? If he was accused, can we have that person who was accused? Mulekera uwabuze, iwa muwambye. Katokuwamba no kuta, which one is dangerous? Okay. Naye. I want people to know something. Temulowooza nti abo police abo abasiru, kubanga tuli mu nsi erimu abantu approximately 45 million people, whereby most of them you don't know ono mwana wani, oli muganda wani, oli mukazi wani. Lumu ojagenda okuba omwana afe, kumba omwana w'omuntu awo ku police, muganda wange. Neshirala waliwo abamu gwe mubakuba nga even ne family gye bavaamu tewalinayo njuki. Naye okero nkyanoota omwana w'abandi ne basirika okumuzika, ne bamuzika n'eddagala, gwe n'olaluka. Nga after uli wofulumya your water, you eat your water. Sikulimba. There are people olaluka nga uli wofulumya water, you eat your water. Jiteke mu Luganda. One day you will eat your water. Wandika mu Luganda ofune kyentegeeza. Kale niebe tuvayo okwogera, we are politicizing things. Yendowooza yamwe always. Kwanga you expect us to reason like you, but it will not happen. Kati gwe wena nze ne wunya wamulowooza being a patriotic is just coming from Uganda. What about the people who are living in that country? Naye temugenda kuleeta kavuyo wano. Ye kende musirwalire.